fans of cooking classes? Well, this chef offers one. We love sushi, so we thought we would try a sushi making class here at Izumi.
Welcome to Izumi Sushi Beaches. Today on Navigator of the Seas, we are learning how to make sushi from scratch. Well, kind of. At our saran wrap tables, we sat down to a slew of ingredients that we would be using to craft our very own rolls.
We had spicy tuna, crab, shrimp, tempura shrimp, cucumber, avocado, black sesame seeds, and a bowl of sticky sushi rice. So you get these cool little hats.
I'm quite excited about it.
Yeah, official sushi chef. Look at that.
Does my poop still come out though?
Yeah, your poop is still
You look
poopy.
like a flight attendant. You look so good.
Yeah.
I'm the new flight attendant.
Great job.
Today I've got the good boy hair, so I'm trying not to. Here, hold like that one again.
Exactly.
Tell me if I do this.
Yeah, you didn't mess
Oh my
anything up.
gosh.
I'm just gonna leave it
I didn't
sitting
know it was
high.
all day.
We were given an introduction, including a history of Izumi on Royal. Then it was time to put on our gloves. Since a big part is the sticky rice, we'll be adding olive oil to our gloves.
Wow.
Now, let's make a roll. We're starting with our nori. Place the rough side up, then grab approximately a baseball size of rice. From there, we're going to press it across the nori sheet until it's spread all the way to the edge.
Cut the fish. This is why you make the nigiri. This is why you make all that. And then you know.
Okay, the next step.
And there's mine.
Flip it over.
Now, we flip it over and the rice is facing down. Remember, this is a saran wrap table, so our rice is safe. A sous chef came by and drew a line of spicy mayo across our nori.
Next, we are portioning our avocado and placing it on top of the spicy mayo. For Brianna, it was a bit challenging, and Sloan is destined to work at Subway. Now we're adding our protein. For this roll, the tempura shrimp, which is simply placed in the center with the tails facing out. We're not using the bamboo sheet?
I think I put too much rice on mine.
Maybe that's going to be next, Mike. Okay, don't jump ahead to the next step. I'm just kidding. I don't know.
There you go. I have big sushi roll. It looks like corn on the cob.
That looks great.
It looks a little.
Oh, I think Brianna made that one. On top like that, okay.
We're going to tent the sushi.
Right, okay, squish it.
Square shape.
Squish it.
And then you're using your finger on top to make it flat.
Okay, so I'm gonna do this. I'm doing great.
Oh, then you take it off and you rotate it? Okay.
Yeah, Mike, did you listen?
Yeah, see, you were so worried about the bamboo mat, you weren't even paying attention.
I know,
to
I love the bamboo mat.
Arsh.
After rolling and pressing our rolls under the bamboo mats into perfect shapes, the sous chef would come back around and toss our cylindrical rolls of happiness into tempura. Our second sushi roll would start out the same way, nori, rice, but this time we're adding our black sesame seeds over the rice.
Once flipped over, we're adding our avocado, cucumber strips, followed by our spicy tuna. Roll and press, then shape with the bamboo.
Just press it
Spicy
gently,
tuna is
right?
very soft.
Gentle pressing.
Gentle pressing.
Gentle.
Then press and slide again.
We get graded on our way out of here.
Next is probably the hardest roll, so we need to pay attention. Yes, chef.
Yes, chef.
This is the hand roll. We need to place a golf ball size of rice on only half of the nori. Then add our avocado, cucumber, and our crab meat, but after we shred it so it looks like this. Thanks, Betsy. Now for the tricky part. Roll it diagonally, creating a cone shape before adding a small amount of rice at the end to seal it all together. Yeah, remember
This is not
Somebody
cute.
can have this. Look how pretty.
It's beautiful.
Oh wow, excellent.
Wow, champion.
Look at
Would you like me for your vlog?
that. You are in it.
They're gonna
Look
be
at
like,
that.
who's that lady, that weirdo at your table?
No, they're gonna say you fit right in. You're fine.
is 2 sushi rolls and 1 hand roll. But we have just one more item to make. Ebi nigiri, which is just shrimp on sushi rice. It sounds simple, but it's actually a lot harder than you think. In fact, most sushi chefs gauge their experience on how well they make these.
Take it.
The gloves have come off and we have finished our rolls. There's my plate there.
Mine looks so good, except this one.
Oh.
This one looks a little...
And the girls, they made theirs. Looks pretty good too.
Eating time.
Sloan's cone looks pretty good. Ladies, how do we do over here?
Great. Amazing.
Looks great. Wow, look at that.
Thank you.
Very good.
First time, I think we did.
Yeah.
I think we did great.
To cut sushi rolls, you'll need an incredibly sharp knife because you don't want to squish the roll as you slice it. And for that, our dishes were sent to the head chefs where they cut, plated, and garnished all of our creations for us.
Congratulations, Mr. Michael Berger. You passed the sushi making class, yeah?
Oh, thank you. Ready to eat. Sloan's already devoured half hers. Wasabi, we got some ginger. I got some leftover avocado.
I don't know how
Put
much
this
of
in the
this I'm
ground
going
right
to be able to eat.
All right, first bite.
So what do you do? Other things besides straight water?
Good. I am gonna go for the
Go for the
spicy tuna because Betsy went for the tempura. Gotta get my spicy dip.
Thank you all. I'll see you on your coast of the time, you guys. Take care.
So good. If you guys want to do the sushi class, I say it's worth it. What about you, babe?
2 chopsticks approved. Sloan?
How was yours?
Mine was absolutely delicious.
Like a pro. Made it like a pro. Yes.
And we're gonna get a certificate.
Oh, you haven't got yours
I
yet?
haven't got mine yet.
Oh.
You guys were the first to receive your certificate.
I think they said they were done handing them out.
Like, you don't get one.
Thanks for watching, Beaches. Be sure to give us a like and a subscribe if you haven't yet. And leave us a comment down below. See you in the next video.
7% battery is perfect.
Battery.
Perfect. It's only 7% battery.
It's 6% battery now.
6% battery now. Alright, 10 seconds. We need to make it at least. We need to make it at least to 20 for an outro that says thanks for watching, like and subscribe. We'll let it go a little bit longer just in case I need to cut the beginning.
Oh, I think you should go till the battery's down to 5%.
Okay, it's at 5% now.